Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, I would be giving my first impression on the Microsoft Designer. So you can go directly to the link designer.microsoft.com. Would go through the options, what we can do, how maybe this can make life easier for me as a designer. It said that Microsoft Designer is built to assist you at each stage of the creative process. It was announced in October 2022 that Microsoft Designer can help you quickly create stunning visuals and social media posts, invitations, and more using cutting edge generative AI technology. So let's get into it. So you have to create a Microsoft account if you don't already have. If you do have, then you can sign in and you would be directed to this page. Here you can see we can describe the design we would like to create. And yeah, like I said, it uses an AI system that generates visuals, customizable design based on your text description on using existing image. So you can see here you can add an image if you have an image you have in mind, or you can generate the image. And you can see it uses that E2.5 to create realistic image. Or you can skip and start with a blank canvas. Let's try a prompt as Mother's Day is coming. So I would like to create an Instagram post for Mother's Day for my cookie company. I do not have a cookie company, but I just want to see if we'll have images with cookies. And there we have it. It's generating the Instagram post. And yeah, we do have images with cookies. So we can choose the size, either we want a square, landscape, or portrait. Since it's an Instagram post, so I'm choosing the square option. Okay, I I think we can make it bigger. Oh, this looks nice. And then there's the option to play the animation, I guess. And there are other posts. Okay. And then we've chosen the first one. Let's click customize design. So this can be like a quick and easy Instagram reels. And we see we can change the text. I can change the text from that media and not yours. And you can also see on the side the new ideas. It's generating the new ideas. Yeah, we have lots of cookies because I specified cookies in the text. And here you can I see visuals. Okay. If you want to change the image, the shape, the photo, flower illustration, and the rest. And also my media if you want to upload from your phone, and then template. Yeah, other templates that you can use. But I think I like this. And then I see we can rotate and then resize. Okay. Okay, so you can resize it for different posts. So you can have one post and then resize it for Facebook or Facebook art, Instagram. Oh, there's so many, page cover, LinkedIn, and the rest. That seems okay. And then we can download it. Download the MP4. We want to remove the watermark. We don't want any watermark. And then download and see. And it's downloading as an MP4. I say that it's pretty good if you want to make something simple and fast. I believe you should also be able to add your colors and your font in this brand kit option. Maybe we should check out the brand kit option. Oh yeah, you can choose your colors and your font. So that's good. So you can make it your own. So for first impression, I would say it's pretty okay. I can see myself using it, and maybe later I would go deep into it and try different features and create another video for it. But first impression, I'd say it's pretty okay. Watch out for the next video where we'll go in details on design on Microsoft. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment. Let me know what other tools, what other AI tools you would like me to try out, and I can give you my first impression and a detailed video on it. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.